What's up, guys? Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Vankyo Burger 101 portable mini projector. Now, you can get this on Amazon. I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check it out yourself after the review. This is what you get when it comes in the mail. Not, this comes in another box, but this is the box that it comes in. It's pretty nice. And then what you get inside the box is this, a pretty nice case. It's pretty sturdy. It would definitely protect the projector if you had this inside your suitcase, or if you just threw it inside your car or whatever. You wouldn't have to worry about any damage to your projector inside. So that's a pretty nice case. There's a little flap that covers the projector away from any other cables or anything else, so you don't get it scratched up. So here's the projector itself. We'll put that off to the side for a second. You get this little stand. It's pretty nice. So you get a nice little portable stand that'll get you going in case you're, out camping, or if you're just in your house and you need to set it up on a table or something. Nice little stand to get you going. The feet extend, which is pretty nice. So let's see what else you get in here. You get an HDMI cord. Here's your power adapter. It's USB. Output is 5 volts, 3,000 milliamps. And you get your micro USB cable for that. You also get this pretty nice remote too, as well. You got your home button. You can change the aspect ratio with the zoom button as your back button. Your mute, your volume up, volume down. Your arrow buttons, your OK. Your 3D button for when you want to watch 3D videos. Menu, and the power button. It does not come with batteries. It takes a couple AAA. Those aren't too expensive, so. And they have like a rubber feel to all the buttons. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the projector itself. So here it is, the Vankyo Burger. I think they call it the burger because it's about the size of a hamburger. It's pretty small. It's got some good weight to it. It's made of plastic, but it's very sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And you got your power button right here. You got your focus knob. You got a little vent port in the front here. Little IR receiver. This does have a built-in speaker. So these are probably the speaker grills. On the back here, you have another IR receiver. You have a port to where you can hook up some headphones. Say if you have some wireless headphones for your kids or you. If you have an external speaker set, like an entertainment system, you can plug this into that and it'll play through your speakers. You got your HDMI port. So you want to hook up a PlayStation, a gaming system, a DVD, anything that has HDMI that you want to display on here. You can hook it right through there, which is pretty nice. It also has a USB input. Now, this is in case you want to play videos, photos, documents or something from a USB drive or a hard drive. You just plug it in here, and then you can play it through the projector. It's got an on-off button, so just in case you hit the power button, it doesn't turn on inside your case. You have a physical on-off button to prevent that from happening. And then there's your micro USB port for your power. So let's go over some of the specs. This does support up to 1080p video inputs. The native resolution of this is 854 by 480. It has 2600 lux for brightness. It has a wireless capabilities for your Wi-Fi. It has 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi signal. It also has a built-in 5200 milliamp battery in case you're not near a plug or anything. You can just use this as it is, and that'll get you going without power for a while. So that's pretty nice. It is DLP, and it has a LED light source. The aspect ratio is 4:3 and 16:9. And it also has an auto and manual keystoning, which is pretty nice. So let's go ahead and hook this up and see what it can do. Okay, so here is the Vankyo Burger projector. I do have it plugged into my wall outlet, and I have my HDMI, or actually, I'm sorry, my USB plugged into my SSD here, which I'm going to be playing some videos from. And then the HDMI, you can, like I said, you can hook up a video source like a game system or something like that. Here I'm at the recommended 6 feet away from my projector screen, and that gives you about a 70-inch picture. You can go bigger, but the resolution will take a little hit, and then also will the brightness, but you can make it bigger. It's just recommended to be 6 feet away from whatever you're going to watch. So let's go ahead and go through the setup first. And as you can see, the colors are pretty vibrant. That's really nice, and the brightness is good for, you know, being 6 feet away. Okay, so here we are in the setup. As you can see, you can connect to Wi-Fi, and then your projection settings, the brightness mode standard is set to 100% brightness, so this is the brightest it's going to be. You can set the projector mode. You can have this hanging upside down, or you can have it just, you know, right side up. So either way, you can flip it. It has the auto keystone, and then the manual keystone, and then horizontal correction you can change. Let's go to the advanced. You can change the language. The boot source, you can have it go directly to your media, HDMI. So that's pretty nice. The sleep timer. You can do a local update or online update. Right now there's no new firmwares. Restore factory default. And then here it just has the information about the projector. So as you can see, it has this Cola app and YouTube. They're pretty much, they're about the same. So, you know, if you want to watch some YouTube videos, or you can use the Cola app. And then it has Miracast, which I'm going to show you. You can cast from like your Android phone or your iOS. And then the media that you're going to play off of your USB stick or USB hard drive. So we'll go ahead and go in there, take a look at some of the videos I have. So you can watch movies, listen to music, look at photos, text. So here I have a Guts and Glory game. Hit the menu, you can fast forward, reverse. As you can see, it's pretty bright, and the colors are very vibrant. This also has a built-in speaker, like I said. It gets pretty loud. It's good for its size, but you know, it's not going to give you like a theater experience. It's just kind of, it gives you sound for whatever you're watching. So we'll go ahead and let you listen to that.
Checkpoint. Oh, watch out for the house. So far, so good. Watch out for the landmines.
So that's at 100%.
Oh, shit. Hamburger meat. More like a steak. All right, watch out. Here we go. Watch out for balls. Oh, jeez.
Your image mode, you can change the brightness. I like to keep it on vivid. It's got the most colors.
I think there's a lot of stuff to hit. Uh-oh. Somebody just came in. It's a little puck on the floor.
So you can change. It's got a 2000-to-1 contrast ratio.
Service. So this This is still under construction, as you can see here.
Let's see.
Darkness.
Brightness. So the brightness here in the video section you can turn up, but again, you don't want to wash it out too much because then it won't give you the best picture. Color, sharpness, sound mode, and 3D mode. This can also play 3D videos.
You can play with yourself, or
to watch 3D videos in 3D, you need a pair of active glasses, which this doesn't come with. You just need to purchase them, separately. Now, I don't know if you can hear the fan noise or not, but it's not super loud. It's pretty quiet, and it won't interrupt any, viewing experiences that you have. Okay, so here I'm going to cast from my iPhone. So you go to iOS Cast, and you follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, so here's my iPhone. So pretty much anything that you can show on your phone will cast directly to the projector, and it's just that easy. It literally took like 30 seconds to do. You can watch YouTube, or if you have some pictures or something you want to show from your phone, you can do that. And then also, the projector has a built-in YouTube app, so. And then here's that Cola app. It's like an alternative to YouTube. So here's just a little size comparison of me versus the projector screen. As you can see, it's about 70 inches right now at the recommended 6 feet. My projector screen goes about 146 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and back up the projector to fill up the whole screen, just to give you an idea of what it looks like when you kind of spread it out further than what they recommend. So there we go. This is pretty much filling up my whole projector screen. So this will give you an idea of, what the difference is. It definitely lowered the brightness. The picture quality really isn't too much impacted, but the brightness definitely, but it's still definitely viewable. So if you need to stretch the picture out more than, what they recommend, it's definitely capable of doing that. See, so as you can see, here's the picture. It's definitely still viewable, and the quality is still pretty good. So if you need to stretch at 146 inches, this is pretty much what it's going to look like. Now this is 4K footage that I'm showing from YouTube, but because of the projector's 854 by 480 native resolution, it's not going to be 4K, but the picture's still pretty good. The only thing is you can see pixels, especially at this size. The smaller you make the picture, the less the pixels you're going to see. So for the portability and what it can do, the picture is still really good. So here we can see a 3D video that I have, and then to put it in 3D, you're going to want to hit the 3D button on the remote control. Turns the 3D on, and there you go. So now all you need are those active 3D glasses. So here's another nice thing you can do besides putting it on your own tripod if you need to raise it up a little more. In addition to the external hard drive, I have it plugged into a portable battery. So if you need to extend the time of your projector, you can go ahead and buy a portable battery pack and hook it up directly to the projector, and that'll extend your time greatly. This one is only at 90%, and it's been plugged in for this whole presentation. So it's been plugged in for about, I would say, maybe 20-25 minutes. So that's only 10%. It's a nice little idea that you can do too to especially if you, like I said, if you're out camping or you're away from an outlet. And then here's another example of how you can use the HDMI port. I have my Amazon Fire TV hooked up to it, and I have the USB port powering it. And as you can see on the screen, there is the Amazon Fire TV. It gives you a lot more options to view, videos or anything like that. Just so you know that it works, pretty neat. So here I wanted to give you a little example of what the auto keystoning does. So if you have it pretty much level with the screen, everything's going to look fine. But if you tilt it up a little bit, everything's going to kind of distort. But as you tilt it up, the auto keystoning corrects it, and it makes it always look as if it was level and centered with the screen. It's pretty nice. So that's pretty much it for the Vankyo Burger 101. It's a pretty nice little portable projector. Like I said, if you're out and about camping, or you just want to keep your little ones entertained on the road or whatever, this is pretty nice. It's got that built-in battery, so you don't always have to be near a power source, and the picture is pretty nice. And it has a built-in sound too. And then, like I said before, if you have a tripod, pretty much any tripod will screw into this. So that's pretty nice. So I will be putting a link in the description below in case you guys want to check it out for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.